Hi guys, Dave here from Big Jeepers Garage. So in our last video, we installed these Barricade Rock Sliders. Now, what I think of these so far is they're really pretty good. They're high enough that they are above the level of the frame, so we don't lose any ground clearance with these, and they're low enough that you can utilize it as a step as well. The only thing I don't like about it is it leaves this pinch seam exposed, and because it is exposed, we're getting some dents here on the rockers, and we needed a product to cover that up to help protect that. So what I've got is this. These are rocker protectors made by Rugged Ridge, and I'll leave a link below for you. So these are sold by extremeterrain.com. The way these are attached are primarily through the holes that they have that match up to the pinch seam. But the first thing we have to do is we have to take off the bolts that bolt the fender on. There are two bolts, one in the front and one which is about the fourth hole back. We're going to go ahead and remove those, then we'll get to cleaning it up and get ready to install it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and remove these. These are 10mm bolts. Okay, now we've got those two 10mm bolts removed from the bottom of the fender on the pinch seam, and since this is attached with 3M two-sided tape, we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean this area all the way up to the door line. Now all I did was I just put a couple drops of dish liquid in with some water in an old spray bottle that I had laying around, and that should clean it well enough unless you have heavy amounts of wax or oil or anything else on the bottom. All right, now that we've cleaned that off, we're going to pull out the 3M adhesion promoter, and we're going to wipe down this area again where our 3M tape is going to come in contact. No. All right, so now I'm going to peel back the edge. All the edges I'm going to peel back just a little bit so that it's easy to peel once we get the bolts in. If you've worked with this 3M tape before, you know it's just a barrel of fun. All right, now I'm just going to lay this on here. Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to take my screw and a washer and insert in each of these. These are, what did I say these were? 5/32 in true Jeep fashion. This is standard sizes. And then put a washer and a bolt on the back, and these bolts are 10mm in true Jeep fashion. The nice thing is, as you can see, these actually thread into the original nuts for the fenders. So that way we are lined up. We'll go ahead and get one in the back. Put a nut and a washer on the back of this. I'm going to go ahead and start the rest of these That way I don't have any issues trying to get the bolts started through the holes after the 3M tape is stuck. See how I'm just leaving it down so that the tape is exposed, making it easy to reach. Now they give you plenty of hardware for this. I think the hardest thing about this install is making sure that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now all I have to do is peel the 3M tape. Okay, now we're just going to lay it up against the rocker and press. All that's left to do now is tighten up all the bolts. There you go, guys, a simple install of the Rugged Ridge rocker protectors. Hey, if you liked the video, make sure to click like. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon and you'll get notifications whenever I upload a video. All right, guys, have a nice day. Even though they're not the same manufacturer, they work together, unlike our government. I give that like a half wrench on difficulty.